Hello guys, today we have another dollar store miracle. This time this is Sylvania LED light, and obviously Sylvania is not some one hand low kind of brand, it's from Shenzhen market. This is, well, it's probably still made somewhere in those countries, but this is Sylvania brand, which is usually means that some sort of better, well-known brand and quality supposedly is better, and maybe there is some standards they follow. So this is motion activated light. It has the peer sensor, as you see, has swiveling 3 LED thingy, comes with battery, at least that's what they claim, has a magnet on the back, all the good things, and I'm not sure if it's water sort of proof-ish. Let me see. Programmable auto shut off, programmable, wireless is to install, pick up motion from 16 feet away. It doesn't say anything about weather. Built-in photo and motion sensor. Photo and motion, what the hell that's supposed to mean? Light only turns at night. Oh, photo and motion. Okay. That's good. So it's mostly night sensor. It's not a motion sensor. Curious. So let's check it out. Cost $4, and yes, here we are. Batteries are included. I don't think it's waterproof, so it's not for to be used outside. So very nice and convenient top over here, which is not working. Curious why those sort of products end up in dollar store, because this seems like it's better brand than the other ones I reviewed, but hey, I mean, who knows, maybe it's defective, or maybe battery is not working anymore, or something like that. Okay, it's a nice unit over here. Comes with it's actually, wait. Oh, I see. This thing is magnetic. That's pretty cool. You can use it for any other product you want, and you can. And apparently there is a piece of metal over there. Oops. And there is a 3M magnetic metal backing over here. Or so it's just a tape. Right. That's handy. Or you can just stick it on like this, and then just attach to. Yeah, who cares? And then just attach it to anything you want, right? Yeah, you see, you can just attach it. Cool. Doesn't have really obvious screw holes over here. Let's take a look what kind of batteries they do come with. Okay, there is few interesting things to note over here. So there is a switch off, 10 seconds, 60 seconds, and on. Cool, that's probably always on. Mounting screw. What the hell that mounting screw means? Oh, cool. This is actually soft over here. Nice. To prevent battery rattle. Okay, let's try 10 seconds. It's not gonna be working. Let's maybe on. Okay, it's working. Well, if they mean this is powerful LED, I don't know who I am, but like, this is ridiculous. It's barely visible. My other lights are so much more powerful. For example, just to give you perspective. So if you remember this dude, which is sitting beside him, so which one do you think is more powerful? Oh wow, yeah, right. Forgot it has magnets here too. Can put it away. Really hard to tell, I must say. Maybe this is more wide angle. Actually, this is more concentrated. So if they mean like it's a narrow angle, so you see these spots, and this guy produces not as concentrated spot. Anyways, that's the theory. Whatever. Let's put it. So this seems to be still okay, especially because this thing can swivel. Look at that, you can swivel like this. So this is kind of cool. If you can put it, you know, somewhere nearby stairs, just to make sure your kids or elderly people not gonna fall over when they walk at night. So this is kind of handy. I think this is handy. Actually, once I broke my toe just because I ran into some trunk cabinet or trunk, whatever, I forgot what was that. right at night because it was like very sleepy and just yeah, imagine, yeah, happens. So that would be pretty handy in this case as well, if something ridiculous to prevent something ridiculous like this to happen. Okay, so let's take a look inside. So battery seems to be working, so it's not like they sold it because battery is gonski, like we saw with some other products. Well, it's okay if you can replace the battery, but if it's like irreplaceable, so I assume or suspect with some screws maybe over here. Yes, they are. It's actually very nice of them to put those rubbery thingy to kind of make it nice looking on the bag. So this is definitely attention to details, and definitely it's indication of a better vendor or better manufacturer who actually cares. Now I have this all nice mat over here, so I can put this little thingies over there. Okay, so time to dig deeper. So let's unscrew those. This is not the best screwdriver for the job. Let's find something better. Okay, so spare you some time with unscrewing the thing. Okay, got a better screwdriver this time, and I'm putting screws, as you see, nice and tidy here. Okay, so actually what's kind of interesting that this has some kind of gasket over here, so maybe it has some waterproofing. Okay, well, we'll be checking it as we dig deeper. Okay, I see PCB, which we have to unscrew as well. Now let's remove this all stuff. More screws comes into place here. Okay, okie dokie. So I'm gonna unscrew like everything and take this swiveling mechanism as well. Different sort of screws here. Okay, let's remove this. I hope it's not coming out. Oh, that's because I have to like unscrew like everything. Oh wow, a whole bunch of screws. How about now? Okay. Okay, lens. Yeah, look, lens can have gasket as well right around here. Is it glued or something? Why would you secure it with screws? Yeah, it's totally glued. Hilarious. Okay, no. Well, just gonna. Well, I thought I can break it, but it's not. Seems like it's cooperating. Oh no! Doesn't matter. I'm just curious if any kind of like things are at LEDs or by the LEDs over there, or just LEDs, or there is something else with them. All right. Nevertheless, let's take a look what we have here. So we have PCB over here, which has the chip, which marked as. Oh my God! This is some sort of custom job again. It's not our BISS job. M7616 with very interesting hand draw like logo. Like I've never seen this before. Palm kind of like this. All right, so Okay, so I guess it's a transistor we have here, and the BT, it's a battery. Battery comes in here. So this is probably the driver, like a driver for LEDs. It's like it turns them on and off. This is the Zener, probably voltage regulation for, again, for LEDs, because this one Q1 and this resistor and this Zener, as it looks like, they go specifically to the negative of a LED. Okay, here we have two capacitors. This chip obviously is for driving or handling our pure sensor, which is Nicera brand, and it's 500, I guess, BP or something like that. Oh, look at that crap. Look at this crud over here. So yeah, some sort of flux residue. I hope it's not corrosion. Yeah, it looks like it's a flux residue, but look to me like a corrosion actually. Why would it be here? I do not know. Okay, switch it off. So not much we have. We have 1, 2, 3 transistors, capacitors, which are part, like even one is missing over here, electrolytic capacitors, which is part of, what is this part of? Oh yeah, look at this light sensors. They actually promise that there is light sensor, so it's going to be on and off based on the light. So unfortunately, it would be really nice to actually have feature to have this thing off. Like for example, to revoke the sensor and have ability to actually ignore the light condition, just turn it on and off, whatever light is present or not. So I'm not sure about that. There is some kind of, I don't know, test pads over here, or there's some unpopulated stuff that looks to me like a test pads right here and here and here. And here as well. So it's kind of cool. What is this? What's the hole? Oh, I see. So this hole is nothing. I kind of was wondering, it's some sort of like reset or who knows what, or button. Looks like it's just nothing. What is this? Weird. It's not a man. Oh, they just covered this hole for whatever reason. I guess some sort of, again, waterproofing. Where is the back plate? Here. Yeah, it has this thing which actually goes in contact with this ridge, and it's sort of waterproof. Like, I mean, maybe moisture proof, but there's nothing on the paper. So I assume this might actually be okay in outdoors, especially because of this unit is like glued in. I'm not sure about LEDs, but this unit is glued in. Interesting, very interesting. Do you want to go to efforts actually yank all this? Maybe I'm crazy enough to actually do this, and I've done it. Yep, and I have gasket over here. Look, rubber gasket. So just by having that, it's already kind of, oh nice, it already kind of proves that this is good enough product, which has all this rubber protection against moisture ingress here, or I'm not sure how much direct water it will withstand. But look at this LED unit, it's completely encased. It's like totally encased in a plastic casing, which is actually kind of nice. I like it. This is well done. I like it. I think this is cool. I think this is cool. So here we are. I totally assume this is a controller of a sort, but it has also this photodiode sort of like handling. And let me check where it goes. So this is our pure sensor contact. This is photodiode contact. A resistor. Okay, so it goes to this pin, which is what? 8, 16. So this is like pin number 7. Oh, sorry, number 9, because this is first, this is 16th. And yeah, it goes to this pin number 9, and I assume this is the it handles. I'm not sure if BISS0001 have photo sensor, sort of like a dedicated pin. May not be necessary for the sensor, it just can be like on and off kind of pin that essentially enables and disables operation of this guy, of the per sensor. But this is what we have here. It's pretty simple, but the more I like here is the construction is actually some sort of waterproofy, and that's positive. I like it. So yeah, you can put it in places with occasional like moisture, for example in your patio, which has the some sort of roof, or by the entrance, you know, where there is not a lot of direct rain or something like that happening, but some sort of moisture, you know, like atmospheric moisture, maybe some drippage and things like that. I think that would be fine, but I don't think you can put it like, you know, in direct rain or snow or melt or ice or anything like that. So that's not gonna survive for long. I think so far this is good unit. If you have chance to get this Sylvania for $4 Canadian dollars, that's good. That's good to have around the house, and construction is okay, decent enough. The only thing, if you would be able to actually turn this device always when you pass by, not just when it's dark, because sometimes you want to have when it's, you know, not too dark, but still good to have light on. Yeah, but the major feature is to have a light when it's dark, and this dude gonna do it. And it has feature when you can actually have 10 seconds and 60 seconds light on, and then constantly on, which is not probably, just more like a test rather than operational feature. All right, that's gonna be it. Good enough for now. This review of this product. I will also include direct description down below what the hell is this chip is, and a bit more details on this 500 BP, because there are I already disassembled 3 of them, of this sort of motion lights, or actually 4 if you account WiseSense motion sensor, and sometimes they are different. I want to see what's the difference between this one and, for example, the one I tore down before. So thank you guys for watching. If you see anything cool you want me review, please send me a note, or if you have some kind of, you know, product in mind to review, please send me a note as well. Thank you, and see you next time.